Hi everybody, this is Jeff with Accurate Lock, and I want to introduce our long-awaited, when I say long-awaited, I mean a long time that this has been an idea. We've had lots of requests for this. This is an Accurate Lock tubular latch. Yes, I said tubular latch. This happens to be the lever set tubular latch and then the knob set tubular latch. So it has all the features that everyday tubular latch has, but of course we added more value to this, more features, and let me show them to you. The first is that I can actually remove the latch bolt. So obviously it's easy to rehand, but more importantly, now I can put a chrome latch bolt on. So it just threads on, okay? The other thing that's interesting about that is if I take this faceplate off, what I can do is I can adjust the projection of that latch bolt should I need to, in case there is a wider door gap than nominal. The other thing that I hope you noticed was that we actually make a finished faceplate that can be removed. And if you see, we did two things. One, it's finished faceplate, so now you can buy these in bulk, or you can purchase them in bulk. You can add whatever, you can do chrome or satin brass bolts, and you can bring these in raw, in bulk, and you can have them finished. There's also a lot more room for a logo than a traditional latch face, tubular latch face, okay? So, finished faceplate, I can remove the bat, or I can adjust the projection of the latch bolt, change it entirely, and you'll see my tools over here. If I take a 3/32 inch Allen wrench and I take this bolt off, what I can do is I can adjust the pitch of these levers. Sometimes levers are too high. Sometimes they sag a little bit. So when I take this Allen wrench, while the lock is installed in the door, all I did was take the faceplate and the latch bolt off. I put the Allen wrench in, and now watch the lever trim. You see it move? I can adjust it. If it's too high, I can adjust it down. If they're too low, I can adjust them up. It's about 3 degrees up, 3 degrees down. That's critical, particularly when you have a more modern, very linear lever. It's very easy to see if they're pitched incorrectly. So we've added a finished faceplate, the ability to adjust the bolt. You can change the bolt. Handing obviously is easy, and we can also adjust the lever pitch on a tubular lever set. Okay, so that's the TL22, TL tubular latch, 22 for the year 2022. Okay. Now on the knob set, it has the same idea. The faceplate can be removed. There is no more lever adjust because it's a knob set. So we took that feature off. And it also has a privacy button. I don't know if you can see that, but if you push the privacy button here, then the outside is locked. Inside resets it so that the outside is unlocked, okay? So this is the TL22 for knobs, TL22 for lever sets. Any finish, again, finished faceplate. We can adjust the pitch of the levers while it's in the door with a simple 3/32 Allen wrench. Available in 2 3/4 and 2 3/8 back sets. This is the TL22 series tubular latch by Accurate Lock.